Uh, I would have shared this satsang maybe many times earlier, but in connection and continuation with what Uncle just mentioned, Kushal Uncle, bin bhaga satsang na mile. If we plan and we commit also many a times that yes, we will come for the satsang, but Guruji doesn't want, we cannot reach there. And if Guruji wants that we need to reach somewhere, we will reach. And so this is what exactly happened with me last evening and today. I had an invite for the satsang for today, and I did commit, yes. However, it's deja vu. This happened with me in 2022 when first time I connected. I missed to see AM and PM. And so even after committing, if Guruji didn't want me to attend, I couldn't attend. So anyway, I was all prepared, and Rajesh Uncle asked me, are we going? I said, yes, I have committed, and we will go and we will leave at this time. Okay, and then we had guests from India and Oman yesterday, which we had to entertain, and because of which, after even committing, we missed the satsang of yesterday. And I get a call at close to 10 p.m. by one of the Sangat asking me, Reena aunty, aaj aap satsang mein ja rahe ho? Amrit Vela. And I said, Amrit Vela? I don't have any invite for Amrit Vela, and I'm not committed anywhere for Amrit Vela. Say, but you've committed, and aapne bola, okay, this. I said, okay, maybe I'm not seen it properly. Let me go back. Are you sure it's Amrit Vela? I just went back to the invite, and it was AM and not PM. I would have surely gone at PM, and I just thought to myself, this is Guruji. This is his ways, because he wanted to ensure that I come for the satsang. He sent a messenger saying कि आप please कार सेवा कर सकते हो, and I want to join you. Now it's a message, and because I did not see it correctly, I could only say जहाँ गुरुजी को सत्संग में जिसको बुलाना होता है वो इंश्योर करते हैं, वो irrespective of the time of the day and night, whatever it is, कि वो बुला ही लेते हैं और उनको bless कर देते हैं. Not that कि if we come to satsang, we will be blessed only then. Wherever we are, Guruji is blessing us. In continuation, another satsang, which how Guruji has immensely blessed me. In December, Guruji blessed me by giving his darshan in Dugri and Jalandhar, and of course in Bada Mandir as well. When I came back, I was badly sick to an extent that I had lost my voice. I did go to 3 or 4 different specialists, from pulmonologists, from ENT, where they did so many hundreds of tests. After pulmonologist doing the test, so the diagnosis was that my windpipe has contracted, and I am not getting enough of oxygen to breathe, and that is why I was getting a lot of choking. It means it was midnight. Somebody means I lost my breath and I am not able to breathe. So as if somebody is choking my throat, and then I have to immediately wake either Rajesh Uncle, or even in the daytime. It was very frequently happening, and I was very scared. Not only that, I was not even able to eat food because it was not going down. So one diagnosis was that the windpipe has contracted, because of which this is happening, and oxygen levels is not proper. Second diagnosis was it could be even sleep apnea. Third, when ENT they did other tests and all, and blood test gave a lot of information in the body. So there was like so much of combination, but despite taking medicines, despite doing everything, there was no relief for 1 month. And just one fine evening, because definitely when you are sick and you are so frustrated, you are so like going through and you don't know what to do, one fine day, Guruji gave me a thought. Because of my sickness, I had not attended a satsang almost for close to 4 to 5 weeks. And I just told my husband Rajesh Uncle, I think, I'm going to hundreds of doctors, doing hundreds of tests, taking, hundreds and tens of medications, but nothing is helping me. But the biggest medicine, or the biggest blessing, or the real true medication to cure me, I have been deprived of, because I have not attended a single satsang. And I have not taken any langar prasad. जो मेरी true blessing है, वो तो langar prasad है, और वो मैंने लिया ही नहीं. Then I started to see and connect कि कहाँ पे सत्संग है, and then I would say 7 consecutive days I went for the satsang without any gap, and it was the 3rd day of my satsang, that is the consecutive days, my voice came back, and after 7 days until today, means it's almost going to be 6 months, I have not experienced that choking of breath so far. I do not know whether it is a windpipe contraction, is it sleep apnea, or is it XYZ. I can also say I have stopped my medications. Yes, I did suffer a lot for a few months, but so far I haven't got any symptoms or any choking of breath or anything so far. So that's what I would try to say कि गुरुजी ने इतनी blessing दी है, इतनी blessing दी है कि उनका लंगर प्रसाद ही एक्चुअली मेडिसिन है जो क्योर कर देता है. बाकी तो when we go to doctors, I know how it works. Even though my daughter is a doctor and I know what she keeps telling me, but then it's okay. It's all about the faith and the surrender. Jai Guruji, Ananda Guruji, Jai Guruji.